Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. Tonight we're in Cyprus. And the recipe is zucchini omelet. Here's the morning mise en place, so simple. Just after prep, the evening mise en place in order of appearance. I'm sweating the zucchini with some salt, and then I will dab off the excess water. Here's all the goodies for the eggs. Here's all the goodies in the bowl, and all mixed up. We start by heating some oil in a non-stick pan. Then we add the shallot and garlic and saute for about 30 seconds. Then we add the zucchini and saute. And here's the zucchini looking good. Then we add the egg mixture, put a lid on it, and here it is after about 10 minutes. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Have fun cooking.